How to use Cash App without debit card. Let's get started. You can connect your bank account directly to Cash App without needing a debit card. Launch your Cash App, provide your credentials and log into your account. Then, go to linked bank accounts or add a bank. Select your bank from the list or enter your account details manually. Verify your bank account using the micro deposit method or instant verification if supported. Next up, you can use Scan QR code to make a payment. At the top left corner, you're gonna find the option to scan a QR code. Click on that, and with that, you'll be able to scan QR code and make a payment. If you want to withdraw money but don't have a debit card, you can transfer funds to your linked bank account. Tap on the Banking tab, select Cash Out, enter the amount you want to transfer to your linked bank account. Choose between standard and instant transfer options. Next, you can use your Cash App balance. Cash App allows you to send, receive, and spend money directly from your Cash App balance. When someone sends you money, it will be stored in your Cash App balance. Use this balance to send money to others, pay bills or merchants who accept Cash App, withdraw funds to a linked bank account. By following these steps, you can fully utilize Cash App's features even without a debit card. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.